Hi again, it's Virginia from Edmonton, and I've been busy doing other things, so I haven't been making out videos, and I apologize for that. But anyway, I wanted to show you what I've been working on. This is a 5x7 album, and I've used the Ice Cream Corner Stampin Up DSP. It's been retired, but I had like almost a whole package of it, so I thought I had to do something with it. So I decided to make this album. It's 5x7, and it's a flip fold. So these photo mounts come out and put pictures on the back as well. And we'll go back in. There we go. And this page comes up, and I put decorative dots where I have magnets. So I just left that plain, but we could put a picture there if I wanted to. Get it all up. And I just put a portion of a photo mount there, and I just put a little bit of a few ice creams down there. And this page comes up. This is where you get the flip fold effect. And I haven't put anything in there. Somebody can put whatever we want in there later when I decide what I'm going to do with it. This page is just a photo mount and a journaling block. And I've put this little fudgicle up on dimensional so that if you want to put a picture in, that's too thick. Put a picture in underneath, it will go right to the edge. And this is just a corner pocket. And you can put more than one things in it. Of course, that's too big, but you know, there's more. You can put more than one insert in there. This comes down. These come up, and this comes out. I could have made it a bit bigger, but I would have needed a line. I think a thinner line of glue along here, and so it just ended up that size. But that's what happens. And this is a sideways waterfall. How did I do that? That way. Okay. So you can get 2, 4, 6, 8 pictures on this. Oh no, 10 pictures right in here. And here's another tuck pocket. It's a triangular one this time. And this page is it's got a folder, and you can put pictures on the inside and on the back. It just slides in. And this one's another, I call it extension page, extension flip up. Goes open like that, and then like that. You can put another picture in here. And this comes up, and this comes down. You can put more pictures here too if you want. And then this is the back page with another pocket, another photo mount with, you know, a bit more in there as well. Okay, that's the project I've been working on. I've also been working on another little album that's not finished yet, so I'll show you that when it's done. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.